everyone, welcome all of you to my video on indifference curve analysis part 2. In this video, I will be talking on budget constraint. Earlier in indifference curve analysis, we have seen how the consumer makes preferences, how he says that he is indifferent between the combinations of pears and oranges, and he prefers certain combinations and so on, but we did not talk about budget constraint. Normally, in reality, the individual has got limited income and the price is to be paid for the goods. So we bring more reality into the picture. We introduce budget constraint and the price of the products which the consumer is buying. So how much of each commodity he will be able to buy. For this purpose, we need a budget line. What is a budget line? The budget line shows all the combination of goods that can be purchased with a given level of income. So he has got certain amount of budget to be spent on certain quantity depending on his income and what are the combinations he will be able to buy with this. This is represented by a budget line. So we assume there are two commodities, commodity X and commodity Y. Now we also assume that he has the budget of 30 rupees on commodity X and Y. Let us also assume that price of X is 2 rupees and price of Y is 1 rupee. Now with 30 rupees, if he does not buy good X, the quantity of good X is 0, then how many units of good Y he can buy? Good Y price is 1 rupee. So he can get 30 units of good Y. Now, if we plot it on a graph paper, we have got point A over here. Commodity X is 0 and commodity Y is 30 units. Now, if he does not buy Y at all, that is 0 units of Y. He spends entire 30 rupees, let us assume on X. Now, price of X is 2 rupees. So, 30 upon 2 is 15. So, he can get 15 units of X and 0 Y. So, we get another point over here at point 15 on X axis. It is 0 on Y axis. And then we get the points with the combinations 5 and 20. He buys 5 units of X, that is, he spends 10 rupees. Price of X is 2 rupees. So he spends 10 rupees on X and 20 rupees on Y. He may buy 10 of both. So he spends the entire 30 rupees. When we plot these points on a graph paper and join them, what we get is nothing but the budget line. This budget line is required for consumers' equilibrium, which I will be covering in my next video. Now let us say there is increase in income of the consumer. Now consumer can spend 40 rupees on good X and good Y. Now he can buy more of both. With 40 rupees, he can get 20 units of X. You can see the point over here at point 20. And he can get 40 units of Y. The point is over here. Now we join both these points. We get the new budget line. This is with the increase in income of the consumer. So when there is increase in income of the consumer, budget line shifts upwards. It is parallel to the old budget line. The new budget line is shown with the blue color in the diagram. The old is with the red color. This is both the lines are parallel to each other. Now what will happen when there is fall in price of good X? Good X was 2 rupees earlier. Now X has become cheaper, it is 1 rupee. Let us say there is good harvest and the tomatoes have become cheaper. So what will happen is we can buy more of tomatoes. We can use tomatoes for a large number of things. Maybe we can make sauce, we can make pickle and so on. So we use more of tomatoes, we can buy more of tomatoes because the price of tomatoes has fallen down. Because of good rains, the prices have fallen, and now price is 1 rupee. So with the same budget, 30 rupees, we can buy 30 units of good eggs. We can buy 30 units of good eggs, you see at point C in red color. But price of Y, what has happened? It has remained same. It was already 1 rupee. So we have 1 point over here, and we get the new budget line. The new budget line is not parallel to the old budget line now because price of only good X has declined. Price of good Y has remained same. So budget line shifts this way. You see the blue arrow over here. Now, we make use of this for budget for consumer equilibrium, which I will be covering in the next video. Thank you for watching. Any comments, suggestions, please write down in the chat box.